So what's up, everyone? Today is the 30th of November 2023. We're going to talk about Alibaba and try to break down the slump that has occurred into the market in Alibaba. What's going on? Because I did a price prediction in Baba, and my main focus was on whether or not the buyers into the market in Baba was going to support price around 78.75. Now look at where price is. After Alibaba reported earnings, the market fell through that massive area of support. So it kind of lets you know, rather than it being a surprise, it just simply confirms that these sellers in the market in Baba, who is controlling this downtrend, is still in control. That's it. Real simple and easy. The sellers still control the price action in Baba. Now, it's a very, very negative thing from my perspective to see Baba break this support area. Take a look though. As we see the market trade right there around $74.67. This is a logical point to where we could possibly see buyers attempt again to hold price. Okay. The low back in March 15, 2022 was a time to where the market buyers held support. You guys can even see it here. You can see it again here during this time period, November 2022. Here it is, 2023. The market in Baba is trading right around that area. See, that's why it's such a disservice for people to tell you to come in and buy a stock and sit and hold it for the long term. Imagine if you bought Baba, okay, back in November of just last year. You allowed your position to go from a profitable position in just a couple of weeks to months of 62%. From November 2022 to February or the ending of January 2023, you had 61% in your account. But just because you listen to people that tell you to hold on to a stock for the long term, 10 years, 15 years, 30 years, 100 years, that gain of 62%, if anything, you're now breaking even in that position. And that's only in a year time frame. So good luck to those who hold the stock for the next 100 years. Hopefully you'll see the market be higher than where it is, at least higher than $120 in Baba. Now you can only hope and wish. But just from November to February, that was a guaranteed 62% move higher. Guaranteed. You had it. It was in your grasp. So let's talk about Baba now. Okay, so that's going to be our new area of support here. I'm going to pay attention more towards this area in the market in Baba now, since the overall buyers definitely did not support $78, $80. Something is going on into the market in Baba. Here it is on the monthly chart. Okay, 8 hours, 54 minutes left. Let's see what's going on the price chart. Charts don't lie. Look at the month of November. In Baba, we're closing on the low of the monthly time frame, 30 days. This has been the price range of Baba over the last 30 days, and we're closing on the low right now. That's not a good sign, especially on a longer term chart, i.e. the monthly time frame. It just confirms that this weakness that we're talking about in Baba is still strong. 6 months chart. We have one more month left, December, before the 6 months bar ends. Look at the last 6 months. Again, charts don't lie in Baba. Will the market in Baba come all the way down to these lows of these 6 months bars of 2015, 2016? That's something to consider, because it did it twice. This is a very strong area to where buyers hit the market in Baba. Take a look at Alibaba on the weekly chart. One more day left. But this is the reason why Baba is going down. This gave you confirmation that the price is still weak. The week of November the 13th, that conclusion. Take a look at Baba on the 2 weeks. Look at this last 2 weekly price bar. Again, charts don't lie. Here it is on the 3. One more day, 9 hours. Once this bar prints, if it prints this way, the market in Baba is still weak. Here it is on the 5. The 5 weekly chart. Okay. 5-day time frame. The market's currently closing on the low. Once it prints, you have to consider that price is still weak. Okay. So that last price prediction that we produced in Baba was not right. I was suspecting that those buyers were going to come in and support price at $78 to $80, and they didn't show up. What can you say? The market knows better. So let's go ahead and put on another price prediction in Baba, looking for price to go lower. And we're going to focus in on this area here first. My first target is going to be around like $70.35. Okay, $70.35. Like 6% move lower in Baba. Second target is going to be around 65, 64.90. It's 13% move lower there. I'm going to extend this biggest area of support, the ultimate bottom in the market in Baba. And that would be our final third target. It's around 20% move lower. That's $60. 60. Now, I know many of you would say, just like in all my other videos that I produce, when the market price is higher, you don't think it's even possible for the market to go that low. Yeah, that's what the people in Baba was saying when it was trading around $271 in 2021. If somebody would have predicted that the market's going to be trading around 75 today, some of you all would have blasted that individual who created that content. But they were correct. But for some reason, people love to believe what they want to believe instead of believing what they see. The chart's not lying. Think about everyone else that could be lying to you. So let's go ahead and do that. Extend this over to like February. In Baba, we're going to continue to extend the downtrend, because as long as the price in Baba ultimately trades below this line, we already know the ultimate trend. There's no need for us to do any further analysis. Price is going to go down. Okay, so that is it there. Let me put this on the daily. And let's see, as long as the market really stays below $80, this last area of intended support, we also know that the market in Baba is weak. But we'll keep it there, around that range. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.